Getting the Apple ID login failed error on CapCut on your iPhone? This usually happens due to sign-in issues, outdated app versions, or network problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Apple ID login failed error, so let's fix it right now. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sign out and sign back to iCloud. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile name. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Sign Out. Then follow all the prompts to sign out. Once signed out, tap Sign In to your iPhone. And then enter your Apple ID and password again. Now try to log in CapCut with your Apple ID and see whether it is solved or not. Solution 2. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app. Then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm. And it's been cleared. Solution 3. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below. Type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the